So we are at the Motive motorcycle ride here in Edmond, Oklahoma. Actually, and we got Bazooki up there. I actually got a special treat, and I'm getting a call. I'm actually on the CBR 600 RR today. It's the 26 model. I literally just bought it a couple of days ago. Everything's bone stock on it. Literally everything, including me. So we're gonna get in this ride. We're gonna have fun. We're going to Pops, Oklahoma, or not Oklahoma, idiot. It's in Arcadia, I believe, and we're gonna ride out from here. A lot of loud people, a lot of loud misters. So, let's do that. I've been hooked on this John Michael. I don't know, his fucking music's amazing. Oh, my bad. So I'm gonna be blasting this the whole ride. So should be a good ride. Good ride, good set of bikes. R3s to Groms to ZX10s behind me. Like, we have just about every selection of bikes here. But when I tell you this bike is light, it is light, and it feels amazing. Of course, it's stock. I'm gonna get a different exhaust on it because I'm not all about that. So it's just bone stock and all that. Nothing to it. But it feels great so far. It's an amazing bike. I love it. Let's have a good day. Let's have a great day. Dude on the ZX10 here was talking to me about the exhaust on this because I tried looking everywhere. I tried looking eBay, Amazon, just like anywhere. I couldn't find anything. Like, I couldn't find any information about it. But apparently there's a little thing down here that it's like right before or right after the cat, and you take it off and here, I'll show you in a minute. This thing right here, like right after or before it, oh fuck me, that's not good. Anywho, there's a clamp and I'm fucked because I'm gonna have to get new bolts now. God, not a great start. Not a great start at all. God dang it. Not a great start. Anywho, right before or after that, there's linkage because there's the underpipe, that section, and then there's the actual pipe that goes out to the back. And I gotta try to freaking replace. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to go get the freaking screws at Honda now, dude. Not good at all. Am I upset? Kind of. No, I am upset. I did that too. I took off the, I wanna rev. Anyway, I took off the screws last night. I don't know if y'all can hear me. But I took the screws off last night. So loud. High loose over there, the color and all that. Let's have a good day. Let's have a great day. Oh my god. Hey, was he good? Was he good or?
Yeah, he was up walking, but let's go. They're going.
Oh shit.
By the cop.
insane. Like, I don't even know how to get the pops, bro. Pops, Arcadia. 19. Suggested. I mean, fuck it. I guess I'll go here. They got on that highway. If I go back, get on that one, I can go follow it. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, I didn't know where I was going.
I don't even know where I'm going either.
Are you trying to go to Pops?
Well, I don't know.
Oh.
It's not
That's where they switched it to.
let's turn around and go again.
Ah, fuck, Pike Pass. That's funny. Damn it. Bitch. I don't know where they're going. Why do you have your blinker on for going that way, but there's a right here? Do I turn right? Okay, well, there's a sign. Where's the, oh my god! Is this it? It seems we have a dilemma. Look at that. Oh, there's another one. Where y'all going? Oh, dude, that was crazy. Bye! Bye-bye! Oh, he did not like me. Dude, pine needles? Oh my gosh. am I? That's a whole park. Am I lost? It said, turn, I forgot, dude. Turn right, left, some fuck. God dang it! Why did I split up from the pack? Oh wait, no, those two people weren't even going to the same place, I thought. I love this bike so much. Back to the 600RR. At the next stop sign, turn right. I swear I put in pops. Okay, where's the stop sign? I mean, that's a stop sign, but that's going this way. Hello? Hello, that's in a gated community. I mean, look at them, bro. They're all, oh yeah, the gated. I don't understand at all. It just made me do a big circle, bro. I got off here. Ah! Exit 2. That's why that girl looked back at me, bro. She's like, where are you going? Apparently, I didn't freaking know. How's my gas? Dude, my gas is great! Oh my goodness, bro! I did not expect that. Okay, it says it's down this road, but I don't know how sure that is. Oh, I think I remember this. Yeah, it goes around and it should be over there. Allegedly, right? I should see the big soda can right. Apparently I'm wrong. Oh no, it's way over there. It's way over there. Okay, cool. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're gonna make it. Well, I met up with everybody. I wonder if Bazooki made it. I know he was saying back to help those people, but I'm gonna go get a picture on my bike. How's that plastic holding, honestly? God, man. Can't believe that happened. And now the cops are here. I think I'm gonna call it a day, and I'm probably going to. Suzuki! I'm out of here. Dude, I got lost. Yeah. But dude, after that, dude, I got lost. I went on like back roads and all that. I was like, what the heck?
Well, talk to you later, bro.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It was fun. But I'm out of here. How you doing? Okay, fuck you. It's half a mile. Yeah. Is he pulling me over? Yeah. I'll just do it right here. Oh. How's it going?
The reason why I'm stopping you is I got you going a little fast going down this road. It's only 35 on this road. Yeah, you just gotta zoom in. You good till January 2nd?